Let's take a look at this foldable portable crib that happens to be aboard a Carnival cruise ship. So here's the mattress that comes with it. Whoops. There's a few layers on that. Here's the instructions for this deluxe holiday crib, English and Spanish, made by LA Baby. And here's how it folds up. The bottom piece lifts up like so. These come in. There you go. This is how small it folds up. It's about, I don't know, a hand width wide, 6, 8 inches maybe. This one comes with wheels, has little protective bumper pads. The wheels have a locking function so you can't accidentally roll it away. And then this whole thing will just stow away wherever you're looking to store it. And then to set it back up is just as easy as this. Put it back in, fold it back down, and use is just as easy as this. There we go. This is a good sturdy product. I think this is what Carnival has in use all throughout their fleets. So I would say if it's durable enough for a corporation as big as Carnival, it would be durable enough for you. Definitely recommend.